In this vast expanse of the Arabian desert, miracles unfolded that testified to the divine mission of Prophet Muhammad. As a child, during a journey to Syria, the Prophet sat beneath a tree. Witnesses observed the tree's branches moving to provide shade, a sign of nature's recognition of his sacred presence. A cloud appeared, casting its shadow over him, protecting him from the sun's heat. The Christian monk Bahera, upon seeing these signs, recognized the young boy's future prophethood. As he grew, trees greeted him, parting their branches in reverence. These miracles were not mere coincidences, but divine affirmations of his mission. They remind us that the universe acknowledges the truth of his message. Let us reflect on these signs and strengthen our faith in the Prophet Muhammad.